Hello guys, Standard 6, Chapter number 15, Water and its Importance. So in the previous video, as we have learnt about the water cycle, so in that topic we have learnt that how water is converted from one form to the another form. First, due to the sunlight, it was evaporated. Then, when it rises up, it forms clouds. Then, when it's cooled down, then due to the precipitation, that means it is called as rainfall. So, by rainfall, by snowfall or hails, it falls on the surface of earth. Then this water flows into the river, right? And some of the water can seep under the ground. This is called as groundwater. Then our next topic is natural disasters caused by water. So there are two main natural disasters due to the scarcity of water. What is the meaning of scarcity? Scarcity, that means very less water, right? Lack of water is called as. So here droughts and floods are two natural disasters caused by water. So let's discuss first one. So guys, have you ever seen that what is drought? Have you ever observed when there is poor monsoon in our town or any other particular area? So due to the poor monsoon or below the average rainfall, what happens? The scarcity of water will be, right? So this particular area where there is no rainfall, there is less rainfall below average, so this particular area has drought, right? So due to the drought, what happens? You can see that there is crack in the soil. The water bodies like rivers, ponds, lakes will be empty without water, right? So due to the drought, what happens? Farmers, the agriculture industries in our India is totally dependent on rainfall, dependent on water. If there is no water, then how farmers can grow their crops, right? So there will be very poor production of crop. So at last, what happens? Without rainfall, without water, farmers will be jobless and income of crop will be decreases. So due to the lack of crop, prices of rice, wheat, all that things will be increases. So what happens? Ultimately, due to the poor monsoon, it affects all the human, it affects on all the population of the country, right? So what farmers will start to walk a long distance for the sources of water, because rivers, streams and ponds are dried. So how farmers can survive? So this is the drought. How poor monsoon या तो less rainfall affects on the farmers or other peoples of our country, right? That means what we have to do? We have to save waters, because ultimately less rainfall या तो poor monsoon does not affect on the to the farmers only, it affects to the all the humans, right? Now next one is flood. What is the meaning of flood? Flood, that means heavy rainfall. So flood is a natural disaster. How it happens, how it causes? Due to the excess rainfall or when water comes out from the bank of river and it spreads on the land. It might be cities, towns, or the water of the flood spread all over the agriculture fields where crops are planted. So there will be damage, right? So this flood caused too much damage to the properties like animals, human lives, right? So by this way crops will be failed. That means whatever crops are of farmers, it will be died. So in our India, flood is a common natural disaster, but still there is lots of damage of it. First, what happens? The topsoil where crops can grow, right? It will be worn out. So there will be soil erosion near the bank of river. And what happens when this flood, when this water rushes towards the topsoil of the farm, topsoils of the agriculture farm, what happens? The nutrients which are present in the topsoil will be washed away and poor soil will be remains, right? So in the next year there will be difficult to grow crops, right? And what happens after the flood? After the flood, due to the water and dirty water, there will be so many disease causes, right? Like typhoid, malaria, cholera, right? Because so many mosquitoes increases during and breeds during this blood during this flood, right? And electricity will be off. So what happens? Workshops, shopping markets, workplaces, offices, schools, colleges will be off. It will not work properly, right? And people need to migrate from the one place to the another place to survive, right? So we need to give importance to the flood management, right? So we need to find out the ways to escape from the flood. This was about the heavy rainfall. It is called as flood. Now our next topic is conservation of water. That means how to conserve water. So first of all, at home, in which way we can conserve water, we can save water at our home. So first we have to change our habit. Which types of the habit which can save water? Suppose you are brushing in morning. At that time we should not keep the tap water on, right? We should off it. That's why unnecessary water would not flow. And when we are washing dishes after the lunch and dinner, we should not on the tap water, right? Because continuous flow of water leads the scarcity of water in the summer season. Then suppose you are cleaning car, so during this time we should use bucket and we should use cloths to clean it, right? Instead of using hose pipes. because there will be too much waste of water during the cleaning, when we are cleaning it by a submersible pump या तो by hose pipe. We should use bucket or cloth. During the toilet, so use smaller and efficient cistern. So what happens here? It uses very less water during the flush time, right? So unnecessary water will not flow, so there will be saving of water. Next, we should repair and check the leakage pipes and use the cisterns to save water. Then suppose we are watering to the plant in the garden, so this process must be done during the evening time, right? Because during the day most of the water will be evaporated, and whatever water we are using in bathroom and kitchen, it can be reused up in the garden, right? So we should reuse it. And we have to store the water during the rainy season. So from the top roofs, this water will be collected and stored in the ground, stored under the underground tank. So there is the process. This process is called as rainwater harvesting system, that will be taught to you later on. And we have to do pavements. Pavements means what? कि ग्राउंड के अंदर ऐसे छोटे छोटे होल्स और अलग अलग जगह पे ऐसे ब्लॉक्स रखे जाए, सो उसमें पानी सीपेज हो, वाटर सीपेज होता है. वाटर सीपिंग प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज. एंड व्हाट इज सीपेज प्रोसेस? सीपेज प्रोसेस दैट मीन्स वाटर है और ज़मीन के अंदर एब्सॉर्ब होगा और ज़मीन के अंदर उतरेगा, राइट? दिस इज कॉल्ड एज वाटर सीपिंग प्रोसेस. सो पेवमेंट्स दैट मीन्स छोटे छोटे डिस्टेंस के बीच में छोटे होल्स या तो ब्लॉक्स रखो. पेवमेंट्स इस तरह से अरेंज होता है, राइट? दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ वाटर एट होम.